Well, tonight, St. Johns County Schools is responding after one of its custodians was detained by ICE. Leonel Bolivar's family says he was on his way to open Decoy Creek High School where he worked. Tonight, the school district says Bolivar remains an employee and has been placed on leave. Biljana Garland is in Jackson with more on Bolivar's immigration status and what an immigration attorney is saying could happen next.
Leonel Bolivar is at the Jacksonville immigration office right behind me, and I spoke with an immigration attorney who says that it could take weeks before he gets his first hearing, but his family says they just want some answers.
Yo quiero a mi hijo de vuelta conmigo.
The mom of Leonel Bolivar, who was detained by ICE on August 6th, says she just wants her friend back. ICE says Bolivar entered the U.S. legally from Venezuela in February 2023. The agency says he no longer has legal authorization to remain here following the termination of the 2023 Venezuela Temporary Protected Status designation. The St. Johns County School District, however, says Bolivar's temporary immigration status had not expired. The district also says it was not alerted to his detention and that Bolivar had provided documentation for a pending asylum application.
In the past, having a pending asylum application and the absence of a criminal record precluded you from being detained. In the present, it really has no weight.
Immigration attorney Renata Castro says a pending asylum application does not guarantee someone will not be detained. And she says the backlog for these cases can be years long.
The backlog that the government has in asylum applications right now is so large that even if an application is received, it doesn't mean it will be heard for another 6 to 10 years.
ICE is encouraging people without legal status to self-deport, offering a $2,600 payment and a free flight. But Bolivar's family says returning to Venezuela is not an option.
En mi país no existe la verdad.
His mother says she fears her son will be killed in Venezuela after she already lost her first son. In a statement, ICE says being in detention is a choice.
No one is detained by choice. And once again, this individual is not committing a crime. Immigration violations are civil violations that can result in detention.
Bolivar's family says that he has a hearing scheduled for August 26th, and we're still working to learn the details of that and where that will be. In Jacksonville, I'm Biljana Garland, First Coast News on your side.